Hi, Luke Darnell, Pitmaster of Old Virginia Smoke. Happy Easter. It's one of those rare days where we're home on a Sunday and we're going to get to cook for some wonderful friends and family. And today we're going to do, to celebrate National Prime Rib Month, or National Prime Rib Day, which is coming up soon, we're going to do a prime rib roast for Gunter Wilhelm. Uh, this prime rib roast is about 8.5 pounds. You see it's got fantastic marbling. We've trimmed it up, taken a lot of the surface fat off. We got this from Mr. Brisket, who's our brisket sponsor. It's a fantastic cut of meat. So what we're going to do is we're going to rub this piece of meat with our Dizzy Pig cowlick rub. This is the rub that we use to make tri-tip at the World Food Championships, which won us the World Barbecue Championship. We're going to cook this on this Deep South smoker at 250 degrees. Probably we'll see. We're going to cook it to an internal temp of 115 degrees. Then we're going to take it out, let it rest a little bit, and then we're going to sear it off. We're going to over here on the big green egg. So we have a lot of different cooking processes going on today. We got a cake baking here in the Traeger. So we're going to take some oil here. Maybe. There we go. Just give this a little coat. It's important that, meat's pretty cold, but we also rubbed it with salt the night before and let it dry brine. We do the same thing with our turkeys around Thanksgiving. Then we're going to give it a really generous helping of this rub, the Dizzy Pig cowlick, which is, I think, pound for pound, the best beef rub in the world. Everyone has their preferences, but this would be ours. This rub's been very nice to us. Manufactured right down the road at Dizzy Pig headquarters. If you haven't been to the new store, I encourage you to check it out. So we're going to make sure that we get this on all sides. It's a really beautiful day today. This is kind of like the first really nice day of weather we've had in a while. Some would call this summer though, kind of bypass spring. But it's a wonderful day to sit around, have some nice mimosas, slow cooker roasting in the Deep South. And we couldn't do it, of course, without Dizzy Pig, Deep South Smokers, and Barbecue Guru, which helps with the temperature control. And of course, we trimmed it and we'll be slicing it with our Gunter Wilhelm knives. So we'll be back later with more. Have a great day. Hey, it's Luke Darnell with Old Virginia Smoke. Welcome back. We've had our prime rib roast in the cooker for about 2 hours now at about 250 degrees. Excuse me, it's reached an internal temperature of 115 degrees. So what we're going to do now is we're going to pull it out. We're going to transfer it over here to the egg where we have a cast iron skillet going, and we're going to sear it off, and then it'll be ready for Easter dinner. So let's check it out. Looks pretty good. So if we take it really neat, it's a nice little over here. Here we'll sear off each of the sides, 3 to 4 minutes on each side, bringing it up to an internal temperature of 135 degrees. So when we come back, we'll start slicing. So welcome back. It's Luke Darnell, Virginia Smoke. This is our finished rib roast, seasoned with cowlick, smoked at 250 degrees for 2 hours with some red oak wood. Then we seared it off on the big green egg in honor of National Prime Rib Day for Gunter Wilhelm. So we're about to use our Gunter Wilhelm World Food Championship pointed slicer. That is one of my favorite knives and one of the best things that we won at World Food Championships. So let's see how we did. Looks pretty good to me. I like the end pieces, but as we get inside here, that's more what the little general enjoys. So, should be good eating today on a beautiful Easter Sunday. Had a little April shower out here, but that brings the May flowers. Y'all have a great day.